cover seed started about 4 years ago. My brother Brian and I have been farming here for a long time, and we started doing some cover crops. We got a SARE grant to do some cover crop research on how much moisture different crops use. We really liked what we saw after doing those different research projects, and we got kind of excited about the potential for this, but seed was really hard to find. And so we were going and getting seed and bringing it back, and other people were saying, well, hey, get some of that for us, get some of that for us. So we kind of said, well, maybe we can sell this stuff. And that was only 4 years ago when we started selling. And we started out with just selling seed to a few people, a few thousand pounds. And this year we'll have, probably 1,000 customers in 40 states and probably move around 8 million pounds of seeds. One of the things why people order from us is because we have such a wide selection of different products. We've got over 50 different species that they can choose from, and we'll mix it up for their needs. I would say the SARE grant helped us get started. It's one of those things where for years we said we want to try some cover crops. And then when it gets to crunch time, it's like, we'll do that next year because we don't have time to do it now. Well, with the SARE grant, we had to do it because they'd given us money, we'd written this proposal. It forced us to get out there and do it. And not only plant the cover crops, but to really observe them, because we had these moisture sensors in. So we were checking them on a weekly basis, and we were monitoring the moisture level. So it forced us to be out there in the plots, in the fields every week, looking and observing and watching and seeing what happened. We had some good field days from that. Lots of people came in and learned from that as well. And then it kind of gave us the motivation and encouragement to start green cover seed as well. Kind of our little slogan, I guess, is cover crop strategies for soil health. And that's really what we try to do for people is we want to help them to use cover crops in a strategic way to help improve the health of their soil. For some people, that's going to mean, maybe just putting cereal rye out there. For some people, it might mean a blend that has 15 different things in it. It all depends on what they're trying to accomplish, what their next crop is. There's so many factors that go into it. So with our experience, with what we've seen, the mistakes that we've made, we help people kind of navigate those waters and get started with developing a strategy to use cover crops to increase the health of their soil. But we really try to get people to focus on soil health as being the end goal and not just using cover crops.